Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to add a zoom button to your Simplebooklet's Navbar. Found in the controls section, this button gives your audience the ability to zoom in for details or zoom out to see more context, making the viewing experience more interactive and accessible. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Controls button. Here is where we'll be able to toggle on the zoom option. So as you can see, I already have it toggled on here, but for the purpose of this video, I'll re-toggle it. And yeah, that's really it. Your changes will be saved automatically. When you're done, simply just close the drawer, and the zoom button will now be live in the Controls section of your Navbar. So just to test it out here and see what it will look like, we can go to the preview section, and then we'll go and click on our controls panel, and then here we have the zoom button. So again, you can click on it to magnify it. You can zoom in and out just like that, or you can shrink it. But yeah, the zoom button supports the immersion stage of the reader's journey by letting readers adjust the view to their preference. This feature enhances engagement and accessibility, allowing your audience to interact with your content in the way that works best for them. And that's it. Your readers now have a better way to explore your Simplebooklet. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to make the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.